Hi Hyderabad, hello Naru. ఈ రూమ్లో చాలా పాజిటివ్ ఎనర్జీ ఉంది and I'm super excited to see all of you all here amongst and amidst the rains and this weather. It's a very positive sign for us. I think the reason I'm here, there's no surprise. We all know of Run Raja Run and how I was approached, to do with my chemistry with, of course, one of my most favorite co-stars, Sharwanand. And it's really an honor to be working again with him in any small manner or any value that I could add to it. So stay tuned. There's actually a song dropping today. I'd love to hear back from you. I'd like to thank my producers for considering me after all these years. It's been 10 years since we've reunited, and nothing's changed between our working equation. In fact, it's only gotten even more better and more fluid and more honest and more organic. Sri Ram has been one of the most strongest support systems, I would say. He is a director of a very fresh take, and you won't be disappointed. Maname, guys, 7 June. Thank you so much.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా IOTT ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.